What's the meaning of biking? Biking. Biking.
Biking. Biking. Biking is a term that refers to the act of riding a bicycle. It involves propelling oneself forward using the power generated by the body's muscles, rather than relying on an external means of propulsion. Biking can be done for various reasons, including as a form of transportation, a means of exercise, or simply as a leisure activity. It is a low-impact form of exercise that is easy on the joints and can improve cardiovascular and respiratory health. Biking can also provide mental health benefits, such as reducing stress and promoting mindfulness. Overall, biking is a versatile activity that can offer numerous physical and mental health benefits.